Children's writing. In this film, the teacher reads out a story to children between the ages of 5 and 6. Then the children do some writing and read out to the teacher what they have written. While watching the film, please pay special attention to the following. The children write in their own scripts. The teacher engages children in a dialogue as they write. The teacher encourages children to talk about their writing. Children in the same class show different abilities. The teacher respects the children's reading and writing attempts. Children's writing.
Now I'm going to read you all a story. Have you seen this book before? Do you know what story this is?
The Beard Story.
Does anyone remember the name of the story?
Mirror.
No. What's the name?
Beard.
Shall we read it? The name of the book is Papa's Mustache. And the author is Madhuri Purandare. Now I'm going to read the story to you. Anu likes many things about her papa. The lantern made by him, his fried onion pakoras, the paper tortoise made by him. Besides, she also likes the way he jumps as he climbs the stairs. But do you know what she likes most about her papa? Papa's mustache.
Papa's mustache.
Every morning, Papa has a shave. Anu sits by his side and watches him attentively. With tiny little scissors held between his fingers, Papa goes chuck, 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 chuck as he trims his mustache. Anu says, a little here, a little there. The old man who lives next door has the best mustache of all. The little black and white cloud in the sky.
Teachers can choose stories that are close to the children's everyday experiences. Since the topics are familiar to the children, they discuss them with confidence and ease. This helps them to understand the relation between the written word and the spoken word.
A question arises in Anu's mind, why don't I have a mustache too? And so, every day before her shower, she takes fluffy foam in her hand and makes different mustaches under her nose. And says, my mustache is the best. White and soft. Isn't my mustache the best? Now take a look here. Whatever was going on in Anu's mind, she has drawn here. Do you see the picture?
Yes.
Remember, we saw some faces in the story, didn't we? I've got some faces on the board here. You tell me which ones you recognize from the book.
Teacher, I like this one.
You like that?
Yes. And I like this one.
Yes. And who does this one look like? A tiny little cloud? A little cloud came and settled under the old man's nose, remember?
That one.
Yes. This face has got some fluffy foam under the nose.
It's a girl.
Tell me, whose papa has a big mustache? Does Omkar's papa have a big
His
mustache?
papa's mustache is not big. Mustache is not big.
And whose papa has a beard?
Mine.
Everybody's dad. And does
Yes.
he shave it as well?
Yes.
Do you watch
The teacher gives children opportunity to bring their own experiences into the classroom and gives them enough time to talk about them.
Okay. Now there is some paper here and some slates. Let us do some drawing, okay? Those who have Ra in their names can go first.
To take children from drawing to writing, the teacher showed them the pictures that the girl in the story had drawn. Similarly, by showing them pictures of the characters in the story, she gave them more visual support for writing their story. the story, the teacher helped children make connections between the story and their experiences. She then joined them in the writing corner. Children asked her for help if they needed it. As each child finished writing, the teacher scribed their story for them.
And what is she doing?
She's saying Papa.
Saying Papa. What is she telling him?
Papa, cut your mustache.
Cut your mustache? What kind of a mustache does she want him to keep?
A small one.
She wants him to have a small mustache. How would Papa look if he had a colorful mustache?
Good.
With a colorful beard?
Handsome.
Does your Papa have a beard?
My Papa trims his beard every day. Mummy tells him every day. We don't go anywhere to cut our hair. The barber comes to our house to cut our hair.
Is that so?
Yes,
Where do you get your hair cut?
he comes home to cut our hair. I get it cut from him there. Papa,
And this?
a boy.
You've drawn a boy? What are they doing?
He has put soap on his face. His face is...
Oh, he's put soap on his face. Why? What have you written here? Can you tell me? Tell me. What have you written here?
My Papa's mustache is small.
What have you written here?
Papa was trimming his mustache. Papa is trimming his mustache.
Yes. And when Papa trims his mustache, what do you hear?
Kacha kach, kacha kach.
Tell me, what did Papa do after trimming his mustache?
There was a sound.
There was a sound. And then? What did he do then?
He put some soap
Where did he apply the soap?
on his face.
The children's writing is displayed on the board and they are encouraged to read it as often as possible. So, they are motivated to write more. We have learned the following things from this film. When children are learning to write, if we encourage them to write in their own script, then they begin to enjoy writing and also feel confident about it. When the children are reading or writing about topics that they are familiar with, then they do so with greater confidence. Active participation of teachers in the process of children's reading and writing, particularly listening carefully to what they have to say without criticism, is important.